This is how you do a oil light reset on a 2023 BMW X5. First you have to use the start stop button. Press it 3 times in a row. So once you press that button, the accessory screen will come up and it will go into diagnostic mode. So once that screen is there, especially ensure that check engine light is on the dashboard. Look for the BC button on the left side. Press and hold the BC button for about 15 to 20 seconds and then you release it. So once you release the BC button, the engine oil information will come up until that reset is possible. So press the BC button again for a short period of time. It will tell a reset with a question mark. Hit the BC button again for about 5 seconds. Release. And the oil light should be reset. Ensure that you see reset successful, and that's it. Start the car. You're good to go.